What's the meaning of Camptown Races? Camptown Races. Camptown Races.
Camptown Races. Camptown Races. Camptown Races is a popular minstrel song written by Stephen Foster in 1850. The song is about a horse race held at Camptown, Pennsylvania. The catchy tune and playful lyrics make it a well-known piece of American folk music. In the song, the narrator and his friends attend the race and cheer for their favorite horse, Wine, to run all night. Despite a rocky start, Wine ultimately emerges victorious. The song's popularity has endured for over a century, and it remains a beloved part of American musical tradition.